Welcome to New York City, one of the most iconic and vibrant cities in the world. New York City is known for its diverse cultures, high-rise buildings, and bustling streets. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the city's most popular attractions and things to do. The Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is one of the world's largest and most comprehensive art museums. It is home to over 2 million works of art from around the world, spanning more than 5,000 years of history. Visitors can explore collections of ancient Egyptian artifacts, European paintings, contemporary art, and much more. Broadway and theaters. Broadway is known as the heart of the theater district and is home to some of the world's best musicals and plays. Visitors can catch a show at one of the many theaters, such as the Majestic Theater, the Broadway Theater, or the New Amsterdam Theater. Some of the most popular shows include The Lion King, Wicked, and Hamilton. Street food. New York City is famous for its street food, from hot dogs and pretzels to falafel and tacos. Visitors can explore the city's diverse food scene by taking a food tour or simply wandering the streets and trying different foods from food trucks and stalls. Hudson River cruises. A Hudson River cruise is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. Visitors can take a boat ride along the river and enjoy breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Some of the popular cruises include the Circle Line Sightseeing Cruise and the Spirit of New York Dinner Cruise. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this video introduction to New York City. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you're planning a trip to New York City, make sure to visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Catch a show on Broadway. Try some street food. And take a Hudson River cruise. Have a great trip.